welcome to my channel, or welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Paris and I make videos relating to fashion, lifestyle, and beauty. In today's video, I'll be doing a 10-minute makeup challenge, so I'm doing a whole makeup look in 10 minutes. I'm going to try my best, but it's going to be hard, and I'm going to do it unedited too. So you guys are going to see the whole process I go through. If you end up liking this video, please give me a thumbs up down below and comment down below what your favorite makeup product is. And don't forget to follow my other socials at paris.s on TikTok and Instagram at PERRIS.S. Let's get into the video. I'm so nervous because I do not know how this is going to turn out, just because I've never taken 10 minutes to do my makeup unless it's like mascara, eyebrows, and lips. Like, you know, I haven't done all the face stuff in like 10 minutes, and it usually takes me about an hour every time I do my makeup, so that's like 10 minutes times 6. So I'm like, I'm gonna have to go extra fast and be like anyways, I have my iPad here since I'm filming on my phone, and I'm gonna put my timer on for 10 minutes, and I'm gonna start it. 1, 2, 3, start. Primer. I'm using the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, and I like to put a lot of this on and just smooth it out with my fingers. I'm gonna be looking in the camera, at myself in the camera, and then also at this mirror right here, so yeah. Now what am I gonna do? Eyebrows. Brush them out. I'm so nervous. Like, I'm like almost shaking. Like, I don't know why. Well, it's just because I have a video to film after this, so I will want it to be good. I don't want it to be like ugly, you know? Luckily, my eyebrows are already thick, so I don't really need a lot to do. All I really do is, all I really do is outline them. And fill them in, but not really gonna fill them in this video because, you know, time. Also, I don't think I'm gonna be able to put on lashes, of course, because those take me forever to put on. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Alright, let me get close up. Girl, whatever. Whatever, that's gonna have to do today. Now I'm gonna blend this out. I have 7 minutes and 20 seconds. The time's going by so fast. Oh my gosh. And I'm not even gonna have time to bake. Okay. Blending out eyebrows doesn't have to be perfect. I'm gonna put foundation on. Alright, foundation. Oh wait, for I guess I'll link all the products down below, because I don't really have time to tell you guys what I'm using. Oh. Okay. you know, a little light foundation today. Oh shoot, I don't know how people do this in 5 minutes. Ooh, my ring light hasn't been on this whole time. I just noticed. Oh my gosh. Anyways, I don't know how people do the 5-minute makeup challenge, because I was gonna do 5 minutes, but I was like, no, I cannot. I can barely do 10 minutes, as you guys can see. Like, if I did 5 minutes, this would be it. Like, I would be done right now, because I have 5 minutes and 30 seconds to finish. Okay. So I'm not even gonna have time to like properly bake, contour. Oh. That doesn't look good, but you know, whatever. Oh, my arm hurts. A booger? No, I don't. Why does it look like I have a booger? Okay, it doesn't matter. My brush is broken, so I hold it weird. I need a new one. Oh, now what? Okay, powder. I'm just gonna dab it in, because like, you know, whatever. I don't know. It's not even doing anything at this point. I didn't even put concealer on. It doesn't matter. I have 3 minutes. Okay. Doesn't matter. Okay. Blush. Okay. What am I doing? No, sir. Shoot. Eyeliner. Whatever. And then mascara. How much time do I have left? In 2 minutes. Oh my gosh, I'm 2 minutes in. Alright. Okay, alright. How much time do I have left? 1:20? Oh my gosh, I don't know how people do this. Okay, highlight. nose. Inner corner. And then I do my lip. Oh my gosh, lip gloss. I forgot. Okay. Okay. 30 seconds. I have 30 seconds. Lip gloss. Just doing this. Alright. Okay. Done. With 11 seconds to spare. You know, didn't think I would make it this far, and time's up now. But you know, here's how it's look. Let me get up close so you guys can, wait, let me look for myself first before you guys look. It's alright. You know, could have blended better, could have put the highlight. I got a lot of the highlighter on my cheek instead of like right here, so I need to clean up around the mascara. But that's it for the most part. I kind of did good. I missed a lot of foundation right here, so it looks lighter. Yeah, I forgot concealer, so my face just looks like one color right now. Yep. Okay. I'm not gonna take this off. Maybe I'll add some lashes because I have to film a video right now. But yeah, let me just let me get dressed, and then I'll come back for you guys for the outro so you can see how it looks when I look cute. Okay, so I'm back with my hair done. Not really my outfit, but you know, whatever. This is the finished look, I guess. I'm probably gonna change it up. You'll see me, I'm doing a Fashion Nova haul right after this video, so I'll probably, I don't think I'll touch the brows. Maybe I'll darken them up a little bit, fill them in a little bit. I think I am gonna take off the eyes and put some lashes on and then, fix it. But yeah, this is how I look. Ooh, don't mind the lace, okay? You can see all the blending and everything. But yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure you give me a thumbs up down below. Comment down below your favorite beauty product. And also, don't forget to follow me on all my socials at paris.s. Well, not all my socials, but you know, the other ones. I mean, I guess they're all. No, I have more socials than that, but you know, follow me Instagram and TikTok at paris.s. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!